After a long time of using the Harbor Freight version, I went back to the old school Leatherman. They sent me a sticker book, which is pretty cool. I got a new pouch, and Snoogies is attacking Mommy. Real nice leather pouch. I got some flat bits for when mine break, because they do. And we got this guy. Which I decided to opt for the black one this time. They look just about the same. This one's about 40 bucks at Harbor Freight. This one's about 130 to 150, depending on what you want to go for. But this one is significantly better. Quit attacking me. Feel. You got to be careful because there's knockoffs. It doesn't feel as chintzy as the knockoffs were on Amazon. But it's got everything I need in it. They got multiples on Leatherman.